Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video mag-solve tayo ng algebra problem about binomial expansion. Alright, what is the middle term of the expansion of quantity x squared minus 5 raised to 8? Okay, so before natin isolve to, so mag-review tayo guys ng about sa binomial expansion. So yung ating general expression for the binomial expansion is the expansion of a plus b, okay, raised to n. Okay. Now, the n term or the r term, I mean, okay, kung ayaw mo mag-expand, ito yung pinaka-best, no, yung r term. Okay, ang formula is, yung n natin, no, combination, taking r minus 1 at a time, then a raised to n minus r plus 1, then b raised to r minus 1. Okay? Ngayon, pag yung n mo ay add, okay, wala ditong middle term. Okay? No middle term. Okay, bakit? Pag ang ano kasi, pag ang n mo is odd, okay, ano yung number of terms mo? Kasi yung ating number of terms guys, okay, number of terms is n plus 1. So, pag ang n mo is odd, magiging even, no? Now, if yung n natin is even, okay, merong middle term. Okay, where the middle term is given by, okay, yung gitna, syempre, no? Diba? Ayan, middle term is n over 2 plus 1. Okay? Yun lang na. Ayan, so, kung meron tayong given guys na x squared minus 5, okay, raised to 8. So, that means doon sa ating formula, okay, yung a natin is x squared, our b is negative 5, and our n is 8. Okay? So, meaning, our middle term, since our n is 8, an even number, okay, that will be 8 over 2 plus 1. Okay, so that is 5. So, meaning the middle term is the fifth term. Okay, so by using the formula, the middle term, okay, which is also the fifth term, is equal to, okay, 8 combination taken at 5 minus 1, okay, r minus 1. And then our x squared raised to n minus r plus 1. So, 8 minus 5 plus 1. Then, our b is negative 5 raised to 5 minus 1. Okay? Simplifying, so 8c4, and then x squared raised to 8 minus 5 is 4 plus 1. So, meron tayong 3 plus 1. So, meron tayong 4. And then, negative 5, okay, raised to 4. Okay? So, yung ating constant na multiplier is 8c4 times negative 5 raised to 4. And then, itong ating variable, no? So, x squared raised to 4. So, multiply mo lang yung exponents, no? So, x raised to 8. Okay? So, yung 8c4, ayan. By the way, guys, no, yung ating gamit na calculator dito is yung bagong calculator na Carsen, no? KC S991. Okay? Since maraming na ba ng calculator, so this is one of the suggested na or recommended calculator na pwede niyong gamitin sa board exam. Okay, 8c4, okay, times negative 5 raised to 4. Okay, so yung ating coefficient guys, 43750. Alright, 43750. X raised to 8. Okay, so the answer guys is letter C. Ayan, so that's all guys. Now, thank you for watching.